senin için kaç altın ister?
5 altın.
Ardından gel.
Senin için kaç altın ister? This sentence means how much gold does he want for you? Now, senin means you. Yours, something related to you. İçin means for. Kaç means how much. Altın means gold. İster from istemek to want. This is the geniş zaman here, which is the simple present tense used for habitual actions. You do actions frequently, so use this R ister, wants. 5 altın, 5 golds, or gold we say. 5 means 5. Ardımdan gel, follow me. Gel means come. It's like he's ordering him. Gelmek, to come. Gel, alone means come. Now, ardımdan here it means after me. Now, we have a word which is, instead of the M, it's N, letter N. Ardından means behind. When I want to talk about me, I say it this way, follow me, come after me, ardımdan gel.
Beyim, o adam beni öldürür.
Beyim, o adam beni öldürür. Sir, that man will kill me. So beyim from bey, it passed a lot, which means like sir, mister. Beyim, my sir. It's for me. O adam, that man. Okay, o means that. Adam, man. Beni öldürür, kills me. Will kill me when we want to translate it. Beni, me. Öldürür from öldürmek, to kill, as in the sentence before this, we're using here the geniş zaman also, this tense, the present tense. He will kill me, but when we translate it, we don't say that man kill me, that man kills me. No, it's wrong. We have to translate it in another way. So that man will kill me.
Ben yanındayken sana kimse dokunamaz. Ardından gel.
Ben yanındayken sana kimse dokunamaz, ardımdan gel. So the meaning, as you can see, no one can touch you while I'm with you, follow me. Ben means I. Yanında means beside. The can means what? It means while, since. The Y here is a protection letter because can starts with E can, which is I-K-E-N, but we don't put it. So we have A yanında ends with a vowel. The can is supposed to be starts with an I. We put Y as a protection letter. Okay, well, as we said, while next to you, with you, we'll translate it. Sana means to you, alone, it means to you. Kimse means no one. Dokunamaz, cannot touch. So let's explain this word. From dokunmak, to touch. The mas is the negative. The A before the M means can, but because we have negative, we say cannot. So this A has a meaning by itself, and with the negative, it means cannot. The answer, or ardımdan gel, yes, we still have this. Follow me as I explained in the previous sentence, and the translation is in front of you.
Dündar. Bu ihtiyar köle için köle tacirine 5 altın ver.
Dündar, bu ihtiyar köle için köle tacirine 5 altın ver. So Dündar is his brother's name. Bu ihtiyar köle. So bu means this. İhtiyar means old. Köle means slave. İçin means for. We'll translate everything. Köle also we have another word. The same köle means we said slave. Tacirine means trader. So köle tacirine means to the slave trader. The E at the end, which is after that, means to. Beş means 5, altın gold, and ver give, from vermek to give. So ver is the order. So he's telling him, give 5 old gold coins. We can say gold, or they are coins because these are money, to the slave trader, okay, for this old man. So I translated each word alone.
O köle benim Ertuğrul Bey. Çoktan satın aldım.
O köle benim Ertuğrul Bey, çoktan satın aldım. The meaning, let's say, that slave is mine, Ertuğrul Bey, I bought it a long time ago. So o köle, that slave, benim, mine, he is mine, benim means mine, and he says his name. Çoktan satın aldım, I bought, in the past, from almak, to buy. The di means the past, this is how we do the past, and the letter M is I. So I bought in the past. Satın aldım, together we use it also. Satın aldım, which is satın almak, to buy. Also, sometimes we use almak alone means to buy, but we can use both. So çoktan means from long time ago. Çok means a lot, right? We all know this. Tan means from, but we don't translate this from very, no. The meaning, we have to take the meaning. Çoktan satın aldım means I bought him a long time ago.
Kaç altın istersin dedim Ural Bey.
Kaç altın istersin dedim Ural Bey. It means how much gold do you want? I said Ural Bey. So here I cut part of the video and he's repeating, he's asking the question again. How much do you want? So kaç as we passed before it means how much. Altın means coins or gold coins. İstersen you want. This sin means you. It's the for the person pronoun you, okay? İster it past you want or want. İstersen you want. And we said this is the geniş zaman as in the first sentence. Dedim, I said. From demek, demek means to say. The di, the past, am is I. So how much gold do you want? I said. He's repeating what he said earlier. Oral Bey, his name of course.
Madem pazardayız, öyleyse kâr mubahtır.
So he answers him. Madem pazardayız, öyleyse kar mubahtır. Since we are in the market, then profit is allowed. Okay, so madem means since. Pazardayız. Now pazar means market. Da means at the market. Is this is at the end means we. Y is a protection letter. Since we are in the market, okay. Öyleyse then kar means profit. Mubahtır means allowed, permissible, as you want to translate it. But the meaning here, since he is in the market, he can negotiate the price and make profit. This is what he wants to say.
10 altın isterim.
Dündar. Ural Bey'e 10 altın ver.
10 altın isterim. I want 10 gold coins. So on means 10. Altın, gold or gold coins. İsterim I want. So isterim im and then means I. İster means want. I want. Dündar, he's telling his brother Dündar. Ural Bey'e 10 altın ver. Which means give, ver, it passed before, means give. 10 altın as passed before, 10 gold coins. To who? To Ural Bey. So A at the end of the Y, behind the Y, it means to him. Okay, this is it, and it will mean I want 10 gold coins. Then here Ertuğrul tells his brother Dündar, give 10 gold coins to Ural Bey.